The Pinnacle Hardware Large Metal Pegboard range features a keyhole system for easy horizontal or vertical installation. What's more, each model also includes hardware to mount straight onto our standard or heavy-duty shelving units, giving you even more space to organise your tools and equipment. In today's video, we thought we'd show you just how easy both types of installations are. Let's start with fixing the pegboard vertically to a wall or similar surface. First, choose the spot where you will hang your pegboard and make sure it fits. Next, turn the pegboard around and place it up against the wall. Make sure the keyholes have the skinny end at the top. Use a spirit level to make sure the pegboard is straight, and then a pencil or a marker to mark the wall through the keyholes. Always check for any wiring behind plasterboard using a stud finder, and whenever possible, drill into a stud. We recommend using screws with a head between 8 to 10 mm wide, so the head fits through the widest part of the keyhole but will not slip out once installed. Fix the screws into the wall until there is only 2 mm of thread still showing. To ensure a tighter fit, use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the screws further. Now, what about a horizontal install? Follow the same steps as for a vertical install, except for the following tips. After marking the top holes, use a ruler to move these holes up 5 mm. Fix screws into the wall, again leaving 2 mm of thread, and attach the pegboard. Now, tighten the screws using a screwdriver. And there you have it. Our large metal pegboard range comes in 3 sizes to suit our standard and heavy-duty shelving units. Each piece of metal pegboard comes with the necessary hardware to mount it to a shelving unit. We'll now show you how easy this is. You can do it with only one person, but we recommend 2 people to make it even easier. Simply align the pegboard with the side of your shelving unit. In particular, check it is aligned at the top. Line up the threaded holes on the pegboard with the keyholes in the shelving unit and insert the supplied bolts with washers and tighten. Repeat this top and bottom until you have secured your pegboard to the shelving unit. Check out our entire range of pegboard and pegboard hooks in the storage aisle at your nearest Bunnings warehouse.